Hey, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the JLab Epic Talk USB microphone. On the back of the microphone is a USB-C port for connectivity, and then that goes to a USB-A, which then connects to your computer. You can use it on Windows 7, 8, and 10, and macOS 10.10 or higher. They include a nice cable, USB-C to USB-A. It's braided for this right here. This area right here, as you can see from the picture, you can adjust the lighting profile, and the lighting options are color fade, color white, rainbow, blue, purple, green, cyan, yellow, orange, pink, or white. And then you have on the back the switch for the LED interface to turn it on or off, so you don't always have to have it on. There it is right there. There is an audio port right there. And it comes with this nice tripod for your table. It's sturdy, it's not going to fall over. And you can actually take that part off and connect it to an armature that's attached to your desk if you want. And you can adjust the volume gain right here on the front. That's for that. And this is the recording setting right here. So the recording settings are, and I'll show you that on the side. The Cordoid Omni, bidirectional and stereo. This is good for doing calls, work from home situations, interviews, or if you're doing a podcast. There are microphones built in. There's many microphones built into this unit right here. And actually, the proper way to have this set up on your desk is vertical, just like that. So we're just having it like this to show you the controls and options. And here's some more information on the back of how it all works. But there is software for your Mac OS 10.10 or higher, or your Windows 7, 8, or 10. And you can get this now from JLab, and I like that it has the RGB lighting right around the controls right here. This is the Epic Talk microphone. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.